to another episode of Malfunction Junction. This time I was actually searching a specific thing out and I came across this creation that someone else spent a lot of time creating, and I actually will help speed up the process with what I want to build. So I'm going to purchase that. But on this trip, you know, as usual, it's far away. It's not a need, it's a want, so I start questioning my sanity along the way. But I believe it'll be worth it in the long run. Can't wait to show you guys. Hopefully I get to show you soon. Hopefully it works out the way I want, or else this is a lot of wasted time and driving and effort. This and that and the other. There's a whole bunch of risk involved with this, and that's when I realized that, like, most people don't do this weird stuff. All I want to do on this channel, bring a smile to people's faces. That's what brings me the most joy, is when I bring a smile to my wife's face, my kid's face, anybody that sees our channel and smiles. Even when people hear the name Malfunction Junction, most people just smile and laugh a little to themselves, because the name just does that to you. So that is my whole purpose on this channel, is to bring a smile to everyone. Get there, I will show you. I'll ask the man, he's an 89-year-old man that created this thing that I'm buying. I'll ask him if he's alright to be on camera, but we'll see what his reaction is. I want to be polite and respect his privacy, so may or may not make it in the video. So, anywho, stay tuned. I wasn't sure how that was gonna go, but it worked out. Said I wasn't sure how that was gonna go, but it worked out. Yeah. It actually fits. Sweet. If you still don't know what it is, that's okay. I haven't showed you it all put together yet. Alrighty. Welcome back. I've fully assembled the merry-go-round or carousel. I don't know which to call it. Let me know in the comments if this is more of a merry-go-round or more of a carousel in your mind. But check this thing out. Got it fully assembled. This guy built handmade little bucket seats, and we got big cables holding tension on these. I mean, he built this thing 30 years ago out of spare parts from his work, and it has lasted this entire time. All I had to do when I got it was wire in a cord and put some new hoses on, because the old ones rotted away. And his hoses went under his grass by this house where he would control the flow for the speed of this thing. And so I've shortened it up. I need to figure out an electronic control, but that will come later. So right now, I get to lay under here. I lay under here so my head doesn't get taken off, and I control the flow of this valve for the speed, and then I cannot move from this position until it stops. And are there brakes, you ask? Nope, no brakes. This thing just glides right along. Even the wind blowing it will move it. So, very efficient, but stopping is not a question. We just won't worry about stopping. Also, safety. Let me show you this doll that represents one of my children. This is why we're testing it. Before we use real children, I need to test the safety of this thing. And for seat belts, we got a cable with no end on it. We just put it through this here hole. And don't mind that it goes around little Susie's neck, but she'll stay in just fine. I mean, until this cable just pulls through and little Susie dies.
Maybe you should pump the brakes a little bit.
Oh, we lost the hair bow. So these dolls are my test girls. You can't say test dummies anymore. People get offended, so these are my test girls. Maybe that's offensive because you're humanizing them. I don't know. I'm using these dolls to represent my children that I'm going to put in this someday, and see how safe they are and what modifications we might need in the future. So, without further ado, let me get the other children locked into their seats. Come on, little John. There's your seat. Oh, you drew the short straw and there's no seatbelt on that one.
That's a bad day.
Little Susie's buckled in, as long as that cable stays. Oh, look at these guys. Seats are one size fits all. Oh, honey, you gotta stay sitting in a upright position, lady. Come on, hang on. Keep your hands, feet, and arms inside the ride at all times. Ooh, we better tension your seatbelt here. Oh, right around your neck. There we go. Oh, nope. Maybe you should stand up. There we go. Good luck. Now that all my children are buckled in, let's give her a test run and see what happens. Now I'm gonna start off slow and we'll work into this a little bit. See, that's not so bad. You enjoying your ride, sweetie? Should we turn it up a little bit? Mind your head. See, we're fine. Kids are having fun. Still having fun. They're all staying in their seats. More power. I turned it up all the way. This is sketchy. Now, if a child wanted to stop right now, they wouldn't be able to. How do I get out of here? Let me out! Oh yeah. Oh, little Susie, don't fall out! Time it perfectly. Ah, yeah. Perfectly safe. Only one child fell out. Round one went very well, so only one child fell out, so let's turn it up and see how much fun we can give these kids. Let's go!
Okay, let's run.
Yeah, turn it up! Watch my head. Woo! We're cooking now. Yeah! Woo! That was fun. This thing is so sketchy. And yet so awesome all at the same time. I have so many ideas rushing through my mind. I bought this for another idea. Not this, but this is a great start to building my idea. So, lots of modifications to come. First safety test went very well. Only one child fell out. There's enough force sucking them into their seats. They just stay there. And they're pretty quiet kids too. I don't hear them at all. Oh man, intrusive thoughts of throwing stuff in there. It's gonna be fun. Crazy. Oh, I think we popped the breaker. So, one big thing I need to change is the gearing on this. It's meant to be a fan. That's what it was, is a hydraulic industrial fan. Way back in the day, cooling off beans in a bean factory. So this thing is meant to just spin up and not have much weight on it. So now I need to change the gearing so it can carry some weight for my other ideas. If you guys have ideas of what you would do with this thing, let me know in the comments. This is so cool. and so sketchy all at the same time. I just picture, like, in our elementary, we went to farms and they gave us safety orientations where they throw a dummy into the PTO of a tractor and it just blows up the dummy. This is what I picture with this thing. But it's so awesome. I have so many ideas. Next video with this thing, we will be modifying it and turning it into other things. But at its core, it will always be a child's toy. Child's ride, not really a toy. But we're gonna modify it. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. What will I bring next time? You don't know? I don't know half the time. This is fun. I wonder how fast they're going on the outside right now. Ooh, I can't wait to tell you all the ideas I have. Some work to get there, but it's gonna be awesome.